Hi everyone. In this video, we will be creating an abstract painting, and as always, I will be using Gesso to create textures. As you can see, I am quickly creating textures with Gesso, and I am attempting to create a floral pattern. While I'm done, and after the initial layer has dried for around 3 hours, I am using my limited color palette, which involves crimson, cobalt blue, and lemon yellow, along with titanium white, for painting this abstract work. Initially, I have blocked the background, and I'm also trying to block in some shadows so that it will be easier for me to understand the composition later on. Just to make things clear, I don't have a reference picture for creating this abstract painting, and I will be um, guessing the direction of light and the direction of shadow for this painting. The important point to note about the floral painting in general is to capture the softness. It's also important to create the impression of the curves of the petals. And that is very important because once you do that, your floral painting will come to life. Otherwise, the painting will look flat like how it's looking for me right now. I will be adding the highlights later on. Flower painting gains its body when we add the right amount of lights and shadows, and also the direction of the lights and shadows is important to bring in the texture of the petals for a floral painting. And I am attempting the same over here. Initially, I am struggling to create the texture because it's been a while since I created a floral painting. But as the painting progresses, you can see the difference for yourself. As you can see, the painting and the flower is slowly coming to life. I am trying to accentuate the petals by following along with the textures that I created previously with Gesso. I hope you enjoyed this painting. Do like and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching.